Hi, I will now explain the process or the rundown of our project. Let's start off by the cleaning of data. Let's wait for the data to load. As we can see here, our output is already in clean data, but before it has three symptom columns, oh, four, and it has three prescribed medicine columns and two treatment and control. All of them we used concatenate function for them to merge. Before this has been before this data set has almost 3,500 or more data set, but thanks to the thanks to the remove duplicates, we can now see the unique datas of 133 datas. For removing the repeated words in each concatenated column, we use AbleBits data where you can download it in Google. We just need to click remove duplicates and remove dupes within the cell. And that is the rundown of data cleaning. Next up is the Rapid Miner guide. The first thing that we did is to load the data. I named our data pre. We we import here in the repository. Uh, we used we used scatter bubble to visualize the data. The x-axis column is the type of illness. The value column is the doctor's illness diagnosis, and the color is the type of illness. As we can see, there are more non-communicable diseases recorded kaysa sa communicable disease. This is the proof that non-communicable diseases, or also known as transmitted diseases, has been affecting more people in this dataset. For the data modeling design, I just dragged our retrieved data pre, and I have searched set role, drag set role here, and edit list. I chose prescribed medicine for this occasion, and target role is label. If we run this, it will show us the root it will show us the decision tree with the basis of prescribed medicines. We have here the type of illness, which is communicable disease and non-communicable disease. Uh, they got the line represents as the illness, and a branch represents the prescribed medicine. That is the rundown of our data mining process rather. Next up is the steps in conversion. So here, let's open up our file first. That's the wrong file. Here. Let's start off by organizing the clean data. We we have to use filter for us to organize the data from A to Z, apply to all columns. And when filter applied to all columns, you sort it A to Z and choose the choose or highlight the column and remove duplicates. So the reason for that is for the legend. Uh, in here we have to assign each data in each column their unique legend. That is why we have to remove the duplicates. The first thing I did is to gather them up, sort them by the color so hindi tayo malito. After that, we will add a column named assigned number. In here, all I did was to line up the assigned number column in the respective legends. And we will use the row function. And for in this case, we will type -1 so that it starts with 1. And if you quick fill it, continuous na po yun. Next up is by assigning their binary equivalent. All I did here was to use the function equals decimal to bin. We choose the assigned number of the first one or the letter one. Number one, I rather to say, and hit enter. If you if you quick fill it, they will be assigned by their unique binary equivalent. Once all that is done, ang kailangan na lang pong gawin is to add in every column except for the date. Add a binary equivalent column for each existing column except for the date. After that, we will use for this case, let's copy this and paste it here. Uh, if you think of it, it will be hard if you manually type their corresponding binary equivalent one by one. So we will use the lookup function. Let's just highlight the value as communicable disease, add comma, and highlight the communicable disease and non-communicable disease with their respective binary equivalent, and hit enter and quick fill. Do this for all the remaining columns. That is all. Thank you po.